Mr. Srikanth, congratulations on securing All India rank 75 with Electronics and Communication stream in GATE 2022. Fine.
Thank you, sir.
The data shows that you have taken deep learn coaching very recently, and your previous students, classroom coaching student in our Hyderabad. Anyway, briefly introduce yourself.
Yeah, my name is Srikanth, sir, and I am from Kondapalli, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh. And currently, I'm working in BSNL as junior telecom officer since 4 years. So I have been preparing for GATE since then, and I am in constant touch with the subjects. And I gave GATE 2022, and I secured the All India 75th rank, sir.
Okay. So since you are working, how you have managed the timings for GATE preparation and your office timings?
Actually, I'm having because I have been preparing since 4 years. Means I'm in constant touch with the subjects. So this year my preparation was not that up to the mark, but I started from December midweek, and I have been referring my short notes, and daily I used to allocate around 3 hours. So I used to study. Means I will assign 3 hours for sure. And I will see that minimum I will means at least study for 3 hours for a day for sure. If for time permits, I will go beyond that, and I use it to give test series. So my preparation started.
What is the revision strategy you followed? Revision strategy.
Actually, I have means when I prepared for GATE in 2017, by then I prepared the short notes of all the subjects. Fine. So that it will be helpful in the means during the exam time or in the near future. So actually my short notes, I can revise it very fastly and very thoroughly. Means I can I can complete the short note within 2 days. So I studied short notes for 3-4 times. Means my revision is around some 3-4 times before I went to the exam.
How you use the test series?
So actually, initially I gave subject-wise tests, and then I gave combinational tests. And then I finally gave the complete test. There are 12 tests actually, and ACE is now giving an opportunity to give the previous year's test series tests also. Yes. So we are having more scope of practicing through online test series, and it will give an environment to the means it will actually give the test environment, and there is a pre-GATE exam as well, which is being conducted by GATE every year. So if the student goes for it, they can feel the physical means practical feeling of that they're attending a GATE exam in the real scenario, and that will be helpful, very helpful when they are giving the actual GATE exam.
How many marks you got in this present GATE exam?
This year I got 62 marks out of 100.
62 marks. Okay. How many marks you used to get in our mock tests of ACE?
In ACE mock tests, I used to get an average of around 60 marks, sir.
So almost similar.
Almost similar. Yes. Also I felt that the questions which are being conducted in this ACE test series, which are being prepared, those are the means I can feel it means in the actual GATE exam also the same level of questions and the same concept wise questions. Means out of all the other institutes test series, I felt ACE is very recommended because the nature of test means initially subject wise tests they will start a difficulty level of average, and then combinational tests they will go to moderate, and finally before the exam they will give it in as it is in the how it will comes in the real GATE. Means they will give moderate questions and they will give a mix of questions which will be very helpful to the students.
So what is the right time for a college going student to start preparation for GATE exam?
They can start from September itself, sir. September and October
year?
They can.
Which year you recommend? In the final year may be difficult, in my opinion. Do you advise to start in second year or third year like that?
I shall advise them to start in the third year, so that they will be in touch with the subjects. Means though they start early, they will deviate from their goal point of view. So it is better to go in the third year, so it will be helpful in the placements as well as in the GATE exam.
So what
So
is
I
the,
recommend third year.
what is your suggestion or advice to the future aspirants?
Means they should be goal oriented and they should work hard and they should be dedicated. There will be so many hardships coming in their path, but they have to means deviate from all those things, especially the social media now. They have to use some basic phone if possible. They should throw away the smartphone for an year. Anyway, it's for just for an year or two. They can get the result for sure if they're concentrated and if they work hard. So that means instead of focusing on the results, if they focus on their process, and the results will be compulsory, and no need to take any pressure. They should be calm and composed and should be hanging out with positive oriented people around them. So it will generate in the results for sure.
Okay, thank you, Srikanth. Thanks for your suggestion and motivation to the students. God bless you. Convey our regards to your parents. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir. And I am using this platform to thank my parents, ACE faculty, my brother, and my all the friends who have been supporting me since I started my journey. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you
Okay,
for this
thank you.
opportunity.
God bless. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.